What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we are back unboxing another Greenlight diecast. So today we have the 1967 Ford Mustang Ski Country Special in blue. So as we can see, the packaging has some nice vintage ski images on it, along with some mountains. It's the blue one. I think this also was produced in red, but don't quote me on that. On the back, it has some more vintage pictures and postcards and whatnot. So let's get this guy opened up. Alright, so here it is. So let's take it out of its little secondary bubble. Looking very nice. So on the back, which is what makes this special, is it has the extra rack on it with some skis and poles in it. So let's see if I can get that to focus. Alright, there, looks pretty good. But yeah, it has the matte roof, making it look like a vinyl, even though it doesn't have it's like a matte, it's like a plasticky texture, kind of the same as the windows. But it has also the black racing stripes on it. It's got some very nice detail in the front end. It's got the little, if it'll focus here, got the little license plate, along with the Mustang logo. Let me try to get that to focus. Come on. Well, there you go, you can kind of see it. But it has the molded windshield wipers, also out of that plastic. And it has the 4 seats inside of it. You can kind of see the back ones there. Then it has a very nicely detailed dashboard. And then as we move to the back, it's got I think that's a Colorado license plate, with some, it says FM 1969 or 67 for Ford Mustang. And it has the right above this little line right here, as you can see, it says Mustang, which is very detailed, along with these nicely molded taillights. I believe those are just paint on. Oh no, those are actually physical things. So yeah, that's pretty neat. It has the little Mustang logo right there. So yeah, overall this is a pretty nice diecast. Oh, I forgot to mention, it has the thin white wall tires, and then it has the black and chrome rims. So has its full name. It says just like the same as on the box, 1967 Ford Mustang Ski Country, and it has the all the undercarriage stuff. But yeah, very nice model overall. So thanks for watching, and comment down below what models you want to see next. Thank you.